Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 pronouns and their type. In previous video we learned the topic of case, types of pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective in previous video. Now we start with this interrogative pronoun, right? So what is an interrogative pronoun? A pronoun that is used to ask a question is called an interrogative pronoun. What, which, who, whom and whose are interrogative pronoun. Now we are tell that interrogative pronouns are WH, right? WH questions are all are interrogative pronoun. Example, what is this? Who knock at the door? So interrogative pronoun are used for ask a question, right? Now the different we learn interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Whenever we ask the question we use interrogative pronoun. Now how do we use interrogative adjective? So which, what and whose are interrogative pronoun, but they can also function as interrogative adjective. Interrogative pronoun replace nouns where area interrogative adjectives are used before nouns, right? So here interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives are two function, right? There are different two function as a pronoun and as a adjective. But whenever we replace noun, so we use interrogative pronoun, but interrogative adjective used before noun, right? Interrogative adjective used before noun and interrogative pronoun replace noun. मतलब कि हमको जब नाउन की जगह जिसको रिप्लेस करते हैं वो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन है, बट वेन एवर वी यूज्ड बिफोर ए नाउन इट्स अ इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, विच इज योर कार. Now which word is a interrogative word, right? So here we replaced as a noun, right? So which is your car? So interrogative pronoun. Which car is yours? Here which come before noun. In this sentence car is noun and it come which word is come before noun, so it's become a interrogative adjective. Here which is function as interrogative adjective and here which is function as interrogative pronoun, right? So difference is only that whenever you use interrogative word replaced by noun, it's a interrogative pronoun, but whenever you used before a noun, it a interrogative adjective. Understood? Now what are you reading? It's a question, so interrogative pronoun. What book are you reading? So book, in this sentence book is noun and we use before interrogative word, so it's become a interrogative adjective, right? Whose are these? Here whose function is as a noun, so it's the interrogative pronoun. Whose sketch pens are these? Here sketch pens are noun and we used whose before noun, so it's a interrogative adjective. Understood? Now here is some exercise you do to it home at yourself. Okay, now possessive pronoun. A pronoun that show possession is called possessive pronoun. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs are possessive pronoun, right? Possessive pronoun are often confused with possessive adjective which are used before nouns. My, your, our, his, her, its and their are possessive adjective. Now we all know that a pronoun that show possession is called possessive pronoun, right? So what is possessive pronoun? Mine, our, all are possessive pronoun, but whenever we used before noun, right? Whenever we used before noun it become possessive adjective, right? So example, this is my book. Here my and book. Book is a noun in this sentence, and we use possessive word before noun, so it's a possessive adjective, right? This book is mine. Here mine is also possessive pronoun. So we use after, so possessive pronoun. This is your car and that is his car. Here car. Car is a noun and we use before possessive word, so it is a possessive adjective. Your and his here possessive adjective. Its function as possessive adjective. This is yours, right? It's a possessive pronoun and that is his. It's a possessive pronoun because it is not used before noun. These are our beds and those are their rackets, right? Now you can understand very well because it's used before noun, so it's a possessive adjective. Ours and theirs, right? So it's a possessive pronoun. Now in short, you have to understand that whenever we use any word possessive pronoun, so whenever we use any kind of words before noun, it's a become a adjective, right? So here possessive words are used before noun, so it's become a possessive adjective and its function is alone, so it's a possessive pronoun. In also in this case, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective, whenever we use replaced by noun, it's become a interrogative pronoun, but whenever we use before a noun, it become a interrogative adjective. Understood? And now in today's we all know that Raksha Bandhan is coming, right? So on Monday we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So Monday is a holiday, so on that day we did not send video to all. Okay, enjoy your day. Thank you.